guys, I am Farida from 5C and I'm going to talk about food web in jungles. So what is food web? Food web is how animals eat. So we have rabbit that eats grass and lion who eats rabbit, and decomposers, when the lion dies they eat it, and then the decomposers is in the soil and that makes a plant again. So it's like a circle. So what are we going to talk about? Here we go. We're going to have two examples and one of my favorite animals. We have ferns and chirps, and tapir eats them. And who eats tapir? Jaguar. It's a type of cheetah. We have another example. Green plant. Sloths eat green plants. And who eats sloths? Boa concentrator. I think that's the right pronunciation. I think my favorite animal is Amazon. No, not the app. I mean the animal. It eats seeds, nuts, and berries. It's not a pet. It's actually a bird, and I love them for its colors and the way. I love the beak. How long is the beak? I think there are really cute animals, and I just love them from when I was younger. So here we have finished. I hope you have a very good day or had a very good day. Bye!